Okay, so we're here at 5247 Chippewa. We're just doing up one last video before leaving. There is still large amount of roots in the line. Customer declined having them all removed at this time. We're turning the water off so we can get a view of the pipe condition. Oh yeah. Front door, Eric. Okay, we're in 55 feet from the yard trap, underneath the basement floor. We're going to have the customer flush the toilet, get the lens cleared off. One more time. All right, we're sitting here right now. This is at the base of the main waste deck. We're gonna have the customer flush the toilet one more time. Okay. As soon as you watch that, clean up all this. Is that what we want? Oh yeah, that's what we want. I want the lens cleaned off. Alright, so we had the customer flush the toilet, we got the lens cleaned off. We're going to go ahead and pull back now to the yard clean out, and we got a majority of the roots out of the system. So you got it? Okay, so here's the roots that we saw right before the cast clay connection in the cast iron pipe. Just about now, we should be dropping into the clay. Here's our clay right here, our cast clay connection right there. Now earlier this line was packed completely solid of roots. All right, we're going to go ahead and pause video now and push out towards MSD main.